Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Rifter. So this is the Allure specification, which gives you 16-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen, which is DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, there's speed limit recognition and also a smartphone charging plate. So let's have a look around. Comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox and it's done less than 3,000 miles. If this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.